How to make money from your parents. Doing tasks to help out your parents is a great way to say thanks for everything they do. And, it turns out, there are some easy things you can do to help them that actually earn you money. 9 ideas to earn money helping your parents. Refer a friend schemes. Referring your parents to different organizations is an amazing way for you and them to get free money. To make sure it's mutually beneficial to you and your parents, think about what websites and services you regularly use that you think your parents could find useful too. Then, have a look online to see if those companies have a refer a friend scheme. Next time your parents are planning to buy something, offer to buy it for them via a cashback site or app. This won't cost them a penny extra, but it allows you to earn money from the purchase. In case you're not familiar with cashback, it's an easy way to receive money back after buying things. Our full guide to getting cashback explains the process in detail. Switch their bills. Helping your parents to switch their energy providers could help them save money, and there's the potential for you to receive some money as a thank you. Look for gas and electricity providers that offer low prices and cash rewards for signing up. If your parents switch to them, they'll benefit by getting lower monthly bills, and they could possibly give you the money they received as a sign-up bonus. Find the best deals. When living on a student budget, it becomes second nature to hunt for the best deals. As you'll no doubt be keeping an eye out for great offers anyway, you could look out for cheaper alternatives to products that your parents regularly buy. This could be anything from shampoo, to coffee, to pet food. Help with errands. Whether you're living at home with your parents during term time, or you're back for the holidays, you could offer to help them with errands. This will save them time while giving you the chance to make money. If you're comfortable doing so, you could ask for a small fee in return for going to the supermarket or post office, or doing similar errands for them. Do house chores. Shop online via cashback sites. If your parents are happy to give you a bit of money in return for doing house chores, this could be a great way for you to make money at home. The chores could include cleaning the house, doing laundry, washing a car, meal prepping, or, if your parents have a garden, mowing the lawn. There are lots of ways you could use your skills to help your parents, and potentially make some money in the process. For example, if your parents have their own business or they're involved in a community club, for example, a local sports club, you could offer to do some freelance work for them. Do freelance work. This could involve managing social media accounts, designing marketing materials, or even helping them to start a website. Look after pets. Do your parents have pets such as a dog or cat? If so, offering to stay at home and pet sit while your parents are away is definitely worth thinking about. It could be a huge help for them. Hiring professional pet sitters can be pricey. It can also be quite nerve-wracking to leave a pet with a complete stranger, especially if they need to stay in a new place that they're unfamiliar with. If none of the above tips appeal to you, but you really could do with some extra cash, you could potentially ask for money instead of gifts for your birthday or Christmas. It shouldn't cost your parents any more money than they were already planning to spend on you. But make sure this is something you're comfortable with. You might prefer to receive a physical gift from your parents, especially if it's a big birthday like your 21st, so remember that there are plenty more ways to make